Guys, how does it feel na despite having different projects, maraming clamor sa inyong dalawa as a love, madaming nagka-clamor para sa inyong love team?
So grateful, so unexpected, and we both just waited for this time to come, and we can't believe that it's here. And it's nice to share it with somebody.
Ikaw, Joshua, after VKJ ba, na-expect mo na ganito yung magiging result ng pagiging love team ninyong dalawa?
Hindi. Ano kasi yan eh, hindi naman namin masasabi yung mga mangyayari. Nangyayari na lang talaga siya. Walang plano-plano.